Welcome to DerivNavigatorAcademy. Now, I know most of you have heard rumors that Deriv is closing. Is Deriv closing? That is a major question that most of you, I know, have been asking yourself. And if you have not asked yourself, you'll come through it one of these days. So there's been this rumor circulating that Deriv is closing or Deriv is about to shut down. And I know it has caused a lot of worry to many people. So I'm here to provide clarification on this matter. Now, I want most of you or all of you to go to your Google Chromes or Google browsers and type in, is Deriv closing? Now, when you type that in, you will see no, Deriv is not closing. While Deriv's founder, Deriv has stepped down as the CEO, the company is still operating and has recently appointed a new CEO, Rakshit Chowdhury. Now, basically, they have just changed the leadership, but nothing has changed. Deriv trading services, real, demo, cashier, and cryptocurrency payment are all operational within 100% uptime. According to the Deriv status page, there is also scheduled maintenance for the cashier on June 30th, which is today, but there is a temporary outage. But this is a temporary outage and not a closure. It's just a scheduled maintenance that is happening today, but Deriv is not going anywhere. In more detail, the company status, Deriv is actually actively operating and not announced any plans to close down. We just have a new leadership whereby we have a new CEO who has transitioned to the role of the founder. Deriv has transitioned to the role of the founder, while Rakshit has taken over as the full-time CEO. Operational services, Deriv trading platforms, cashier services, and cryptocurrency payment systems are all functioning normally with no reported downtime. Okay? And the temporary maintenance, which is today, it's just a temporary closure and not a shutdown. Okay? And Deriv, as you all know, is available 24/7. Many of Deriv's synthetic indices are available for trading 24/7, including weekends and holidays. So if you have any worry that Deriv is closing down, I'm here to tell you Deriv is not going anywhere. In fact, Deriv won an award not even very far ago, where it was ranked one of the best trading platforms to trade with. So guys, when you're trading Deriv, trade with confidence. Know you're trading in a good trading platform and don't have any ounce of worry. Apart from that, guys, keep trading, keep pushing, have confidence in Deriv. Just do your part, do a lot of practice, learn, trade, and you will become successful as you dream of. Others from that, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please make sure you like and subscribe so that this video can reach out to more people and settle the worry. And guys, please make sure you share to anyone who you know is interesting so that we're able to reach out to more people and we are able to grow together. Apart from that, guys, keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.